A Fox 35 health alert. Praise the Lord, but watch the Lord. A new study shows that young, religiously active people more likely to become obese when they get to middle age.
So what one study says, when we heard about it, we had to do more digging ourselves. Fox 35's Jennifer Bisram reports.
Going to church good for the soul, but not the waistline? A new study from Northwestern shows Sunday worship can pile on the pounds just as much as burgers and chips.
I think there's some truth to that, personally, because when you go to church, it tends to unite everyone together. So when that happens, guess what people tend to do? After church, they tend to get together and eat.
But Pastor Gerald Brown of Lifeway Community Church in Sanford says church is about the faith, not the food.
If there's a link to obesity and going to church, I do not see that in our church, because it's really about being able to make a difference in the lives of people.
He says, yes, donuts and dinners are offered at places of worship, but it's entirely up to the individual.
Even if there is a link between it, if you pack on a few extra pounds, it's so much more worth the risk to be able to enjoy the community of faith.
Researchers not exactly sure why religion is associated with overeating, but speculate it stems from things like substituting church for other more active hobbies. Churchgoers believe it's the other way around.
If you are a true believer, you will do what is written in the Bible, and God said, do not be a glutton, and your body is meant to be taken care of properly.
Health experts say there can be lots of sitting and eating involved when going to church for things like services, Bible studies, and meetings. So if you do go often, exercise regularly or stay active. In Sanford, Jennifer Bisram, Fox 35 News.
And more than 2,000 people were studied for that particular research.